Live and direct. What is this? Oh, I got gold on the screen. Uh, what's
Let's
good, y'all?
see.
It's another day. This is the Hump Day Hustle. Y'all already know what we're about to do. About to get into it. Let me just say, gold has been in the terrible range. This is gold on the screen right now, so y'all can see what they're doing. Me personally, what I believe is about to happen is at this open, they gonna come up here and they gonna snatch this high, and they just gonna play around. And then I think once they done playing around and they snatch the high, then we gonna get the sale. But I do think they about to just play games. They're gonna just sit right here because last night, as y'all can see, for the last day, it just kind of sat right here and just did this up down up down up down as they do. And we got like a trend to the downside, trend to the upside, creating this little triangle. Now that do look like a bull flag. Typically, is what you get off of this type of pattern, a bull flag and a large push out this way. But I don't know. I just think that with that daily being in such a strong downtrend, I think that bull flag get canceled out, and that's why I think they just liquidity grab yesterday. Yesterday the market didn't really move, and then I think they just push us back to the downside. But if not, I mean we're gonna find out. It's just gonna push up here and just return to the sell zone. So that's all we can do is just wait and see how it goes. But yeah, that's the bull flag that I see right now, and I don't like it. But but I do want to see a sale come from this area. So we're just gonna see what happens. Uh,
The bull flag.
yeah, terrible pattern and
Man.
how populating on the
All
4 hour.
right. And for those that y'all just tapping in, this I just I know y'all looking like who is this other strange man on the other side of the screen? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
It's like this is my man's. We've been doing this for a long time together. You know what I'm saying? And we was talking about doing stuff. We was talking about doing stuff together. Um, and we was talking about going live together. When me and my man's get on the chart together, we cook these markets for show. All right, for sure. So that's just a little introduction. It's my man Zai, my brother Zai, and we've been, like I said, we've been doing this for a little second. A lot of time when I'm off the chart or something like that, me and my man's is locked in on the chart or something like that, and we do things together. So that's that. All right, that is that. What you got on, bruh?
my hair militaried out. What up?
What you got on? What you got on, cuz? Huh?
My military
What
shirt.
you got on? All right. Let me see. Let me pull up my screen. Hold up. Let me pull
Oh,
up my screen. Um,
yeah. Open.
let's see. Is my sound right?
Yeah, we can hear you.
All right. Um, now a lot of time, let me turn this off because sometimes, oh, this is gold. So we're currently in a gold trade right now, y'all. We'll go over that in a second. Let's roll over here to US 30 though. All right, let me move all this stuff. All right. Now, a lot of time I show y'all stuff from the naked chart perspective, and so this is something that me and my man has been utilizing, and so you'll see this on the chart. All right, you'll see this on the chart while we do these lives. All right, you'll see this on the chart while we do these lives. All right, so what I see from US 30 though, I definitely can see a pullback. All right, I definitely can see a pullback on US
Don't got
30.
your chart up, my boy.
Huh?
Pull your chart up.
Bro, I'm telling you, that's how it look. That's how yours be looking too. Hold on. Hold on.
No, pull it up on the screen. Here we go. All right, now we're good. We can see it.
All right, you see now? I bet. All right. So right here, y'all. So we definitely broke structure. All right, we definitely broke structure here. All right, to the upside. So I am anticipating US 30 to do some kind of pullback. All right, I would love nothing more than to see US 30 do a pullback. All right, get a pullback, and then we still going to continue to the upside. All right, not looking for anything to change here. Definitely looking for price to definitely come down, do a retest of structure. But I am looking for price to hold. All right, definitely want to see us come outside of our TP1 area and then continue this direction. All right, continue that direction. That is terrible. I hate when that curve happens right there. All right, damn, can't get it. All right, we're gonna leave it. All right, so definitely looking for that. All right, definitely looking for that. If I come down here to the 15-minute time frame, all right, y'all know how US 30 do. All right, y'all know how US 30 do. More than likely, we're gonna end up, all right, on a 15-minute perspective. All right, from a 15-minute perspective, we'll probably end up swiping liquidity this morning. All right, swiping these lows, and then we'll look to see if we can push to the upside. All right, as of right now, we are not breaking structure to the upside on a 15-minute time frame. So I'm definitely going to be looking for some kind of shift of structure. I'm definitely going to be looking for a shift of structure back this way. All right, I definitely want to see price get right back above. Let's see, what is this price point? 52,164. 52,164, and then from there, we can look to continue long, y'all. All right, so that's going to be US 30. But in for the time being, in the event US 30 wants to do a deeper pullback, all right, and actually sell off, we'll just let it sell off, let it find some type of support. All right, and then once it is done exhausting, then we can push back to the upside. But if the market just starts blitzing right here from the upside, I am perfectly fine with us actually just getting in, taking the breakout to the upside. All right, I'm good with that. We're still in an uptrend. We are not in a downtrend at all. Okay, not in a downtrend at all. We can definitely add some more confluences. All right, now once we break this level of structure up here, we're going to be met with this upper trend line. All right, so I definitely would love to see nothing more than to break this structure and get above this trend line. That'll be like a double confluence, double confirmation right there on US 30 to get back above trend line this way. So I'd be looking for something to this effect. All right, and then maybe a push off of there, something to that degree. All right, and then we'll look to continue long. All right, we are not selling US 30. All right, we are not selling US 30, not at all, y'all. All right, not at all, not selling US 30. I don't care if this does this kind of move, if we got to sit on our hands. Now, mind you, let's keep in mind, we've been in this trade. All right, we've been in this trade for weeks now. I told y'all we're going to have a massive move to the upside, and it's going to take some time. All right, we've been in since way back here. All right, since way back here, and then we were just adding positions, and we're going to continue to keep adding positions along the way. All right, so inside the group, definitely been telling the members and stuff like that, we are going to keep pushing to the upside, and then we are going to continue to keep stacking along the way. All right, we're going to continue to keep stacking along the way. So that's going to be US 30. I don't foresee US 30 selling off at all. This is a nice, strong 4-hour candle. All right, this is a nice, strong 4-hour candle. Let's see how the daily closed yesterday. I wasn't really paying attention. All right, not too bad. All right, there's no signs of reversal here at all. All right, no signs of reversal. We could definitely do a retest. Definitely do a retest, like I said, and then continue in this direction. All right, so we're going to be pushing, all right, to the upside. So from a 15-minute perspective, all right, from a 15-minute perspective, we'll wait. We'll wait to get back long. But I definitely, for the time being, I definitely want to see price start making its way to the upside. Did you already? Well, you kind of talked about gold. I know you didn't. Oh, let me exit that real quick, y'all. I know you didn't really go too depth with gold as of yet.
Oh yeah, I ain't really got nothing right now. This morning is gonna be kind of slow. I'm predicting we have a very slow morning due to the fact that we got FOMC at 2 p.m. today. So at 2 o'clock, I think these first two 4-hour candles like don't really make a move. Well, not the first two, but the first 4-hour candle in New York, that 10 to 2 o'clock candle. I just think the market just plays it real chill, and then it just stays down. Now, like I was saying on gold, what I want to see gold do as far as this open goes, I would love to see gold actually come up here and liquidity grab the high up here, and then once they liquidity grab this high up here, they dump it down. With New York taking over at 10, so well, not dump it, but like start to sell at least. That would be a better image for me. But you know what I'm saying? I want to see it. I want to see it take out yesterday high. Honestly, I just want to see them come up here, liquidity grab yesterday high. After we sweep that, then they dump it down. I just think that we haven't grabbed any liquidity in a lot of these markets so far this week. So I just know some type of liquidity grab is coming, but I just want to see how they run it. So
Man, we definitely dumping. For sure, we dumping.
yeah,
For sure. And it might be today. Big dump. All right, big dump, but probably not till later. Like you said, got FOMC later, so
yeah,
it's gonna be a slow morning. All right, they gonna
I definitely see a slow morning coming.
slow morning. A slow morning. Let me. You know what? Let me pull that up. Let me look at Nas real quick. All right, I forgot to go over Nas real quick. Hold on. Let me go back over Nas real quick. All right, US 30 starting to push down. That's good. That's what I want to see. All right, that's what I want to see actually. That's what I want to see actually. All right, Nas, and like I've been telling y'all, Nas definitely has a different image than US 30. Nas definitely made the move prior to. Let me come up here. All right, let me come up here. I got this. I got this waiting. All right, I got this waiting, y'all. All right, I got this waiting. The moment price gets back above, we're gonna be looking to take that entry. But as of right now, Nas, all right, Nas could potentially. Come down in this vicinity, fill this gap in, retest, and then launch. All right. Um, and then still look for the buying opportunity. So still on Nas, definitely not looking for. I'm definitely not looking for any sales either on Nas. If anything, I'll wait for Nas to do one of these moves here. All right, I'll wait for Nas to do one of these moves and then get that push. All right, get that push from. All right, get that push from 29,679. All right, and then push in this direction. So still looking for buys. Still looking for buys in this direction on Nas. Not looking for no sales. All right. So even if the market decides to do a pullback, just sit on your hands and just chill. All right. Just sit on your hands and just chill. That's really probably the most hardest thing for a lot of traders is to actually just sit there and wait. All right. Because y'all get, a lot of traders get antsy. They want to hit that button. If they feel like they ain't hitting the button, they ain't making no money. They wasting time. That's not the case. All right. So I say this all the time. Not trading is trading. All right, not trading is trading. So when you sitting and you waiting for the market to come to you, you're gonna have to sit on your hands and wait. The most patient person in this market is gonna make the most money if you patient. I mean, my man talk about that all the time. All right, got to be patient.
Some DAP, you need discipline, awareness, and patience. That's for sure.
Got to. You
Yeah.
definitely got to. All right.
If you
And
ain't got,
I know some of y'all might be new to this, and we're gonna be talking about a whole lot of things, not just these charts. All right, because when we on the charts, we don't just talk about the charts, especially when we in the waiting period. We might talk about boxing, we might talk about just other related news that's going on. So this is like the real talk channel. All right, we're gonna talk charts because there's more to life than just these charts. And we definitely be having fun when we on these charts for sure. Definitely. Because the market boring, y'all. All right. Like this this is boring for real. All right. Sometimes it's like watching paint dry. It's like watching paint dry. So
yeah, especially when we ain't got no motion. Like on a day like this, hey, I just feel like it's just gonna be dry. It's one of them dry days. It ain't a lot that's going on. Like if you don't see it dumping and you making a lot of money, you don't really be excited. You just be like, I'm just here for another day. I'm just here to, you know what I'm saying, do my job. So just understand them days gonna come. But
exactly.
we're gonna have a breakout. I just think we gotta just figure out what the breakout gonna be, which way it goes.
Exactly. I mean, we know what it's gonna be. All right, to the downside, especially with that. Gold. I ain't looking for gold to push to the upside. Not at all.
I'm referring to just the open.
Oh, the open.
Yeah.
Yeah. The open. Yeah.
Yeah, nah, it's the trend is bearish. So if I just look at this image right now occurring on my screen, this image is telling me to stay bearish. Like I said, I would just prefer to see them swipe yesterday high and then sell from here. So if I was actually given the play, I would say sell from here and then we still targeting that low down there. So this is still the trade that I got um, pinned in my chart right now. Top above there is a very tight stop. But I would say this is like your play for today. Because I just doubt that they just move it before the open. I think we come straight up there, take out yesterday high, and then we just waste the rest of that 4 hours And then when FOMC come up, then they might have some motion. So we're gonna see. That 43.30 mark, that's like the support line right there. So it's just kind of sitting right there, 43.30. So we just gotta figure out which way I want to break out.
Man, I've been telling you, bro, we going down to 3,300. 33. And when we get down to 33, I'm
Yeah.
convinced we going to 18. I'm convinced we going back to 18. Come on and
Hey,
get all that, man.
I will
They need
tell
to
you,
come on and get all that.
look, I went and did a markup the other day. So
Hey, bro,
it's like 20. Let me find it. I'm gonna find it. Hold
when did that war kick off? When did that war kick off with Ukraine, Russia?
on. I can't remember exactly.
When was that, y'all? When was that? When
I
was
got
that?
I did it on my other chart. Okay, 2242. All right, so 2242. That's
When was
down here.
that, y'all?
So right here, 2242. We got this situation somewhere right in here. We need to come fill this in right here. I know we're gonna come back down to here, and then the
Come
one
on.
you talking about is at 1847. So let
Yeah,
me just
18.
back that second
18.
one at 1847, and that's you can see it better on the daily. Matter of fact,
Yeah,
let
I was
me
about to say, you probably got to go up higher.
on the daily you can see it is right where we had that push down and the gap up.
Yeah, see that candle right there? That's a gap right there. That big candle. Yeah,
This one right here, yeah.
that's a
So
gap
it's,
right there, y'all.
yeah, but it started at 47.
That's a
Um,
gap right there. That's a major gap right there. Let's get it. Yeah. Angel. Yeah. Exactly. 2-3 years at least. At least.
So it's a gap right here in this area. They gonna come down here and fill this gap too. So we've been
Got
waiting
to
on
come
that.
back.
We waiting on that. We waiting on both of those to actually play out. So that's what's going down. But right
Yeah.
now, those are the next two gaps that I know we need to fill. But today, like I said, I think today we just play around up here today. Looking at my 4 hour, I don't think it makes no move. I think it literally just plays around in this area, and then once we snatch liquidity from the high from yesterday, these guys think they safe. They dump it with the news at 2 o'clock. So right now, it's just gonna be it's just gonna be sitting sideways. And
Yeah.
we had positive war news. Honestly, it should have been so, but for
Yeah.
it should
Bro,
have been.
that's what I've been telling. Man, I've been telling y'all. That just don't make sense to me, right? It don't make sense. Positive war news. They making peace deals. Hey, did y'all see BB though? BB say, now I'm not putting my opinion one way or the other. This is just what BB said. He say, he ain't, he is not, uh, he does not agree with that peace deal. All right. He said he does not agree with the peace deal
Mm,
with Trump. He said he will bomb them in Lebanon whenever he feels like it. Right. No deal signed yet. Right. They just see what I'm saying? They just coming out with anything. But it's kind of crazy because anytime people they was getting bombed, I think last week we was talking about that Angel. They was getting bombed last week, and then me and my mans we was talking about it. The market was dumping and they was getting bombed. Right?
yeah.
Dumping and they was getting bombed. But yet there's a deal, right? There's a deal in the market going up, man. Ain't no way, man. Ain't no way. They flipping the script on us. They trying to flip the script on us, y'all.
But
They trying to flip.
the thing is, they actually do got a signed preliminary agreement. The real problem is um, we don't have the details yet. So they did sign a deal. We just don't got the details. They signed it on Sunday.
Yeah,
Yeah, they gonna keep violating that ceasefire. But we're gonna see what was said. We're gonna see if they get to keep their nuclear weapons on Friday or not, or what was
man.
actually agreed. That's the part we need to figure out. What was actually agreed on. I think that's what
Right.
take a lot of the stuff that happens in the market. So I'm definitely waiting for that. I just think it's funny that they did it on Juneteenth. That's the part that had me weak. I'm like, you trying to? I know what they're doing. So they trying to use that to start. Y'all know they trying to cover up some other stuff, but It's cool. But I just think if they was gonna do that, they could have just signed the deal and gave us the details on Monday. They ain't have to wait to the Juneteenth to try to use that to cover up one of our only days. But yeah, I'm saying our only days, if you know what I'm talking about. But
God, am I going bald, God?
I don't know. It might be. It might be the light.
It's getting a little light. You know what I'm saying? It's getting a little light.
It's
I don't
gray.
know. I don't
All
know.
right.
I gotta tighten up. Gotta tighten up. I gotta tighten up. Hey, they better do something. They better come to terms on some degree. Hey, hey, hold on.
It's in Switzerland though. They gonna be in Switzerland Friday. I seen they was over there trying to fly drones and drop drones with bombs at the UFC event.
Uh-huh.
They said they arrested like 5 people for trying to do that.
Yeah.
What's crazy is the event came and went so fast, I forgot all about it.
Oh, the event?
Yeah.
Hey, that event was wild.
I ain't
All
seen
right,
none
that
of the
event
fights.
was wild.
I gotta look at the highlights.
I know. Dana White said he ain't never doing another. He said it cost him too much money. With all the security, the detail, and all that, it costs too much money.
Man,
You
he
know what I'm
acting like
saying?
he
Like,
paid.
what did you expect? You putting it on the lawn at the White House. What'd you expect with the president there?
I mean, ain't like he paid for it.
All right, that part. That part. Yeah. Man, gold gonna be slow, y'all. Let me see. Let me come on over here real quick. Let me come on over here and pull up the other, because we're gonna scale in, y'all. All right, we're gonna scale in. Hold on. We're gonna scale in. I don't want NAS right now. I don't want NAS right now. Where we at? Where we at? US 30. All right, cool. I like that US 30. I like that. Go ahead and pull back. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Is the screen still too zoomed out, bro?
Nah, it wasn't too zoomed out. It wasn't up last time.
It was what? My bad.
It wasn't up on the screen. All right,
Oh,
we
it
can see
wasn't
it.
up on the screen.
We can see it clear.
You too low on your mic, bro. I can barely hear you.
Turn your mic up some.
It is up, bro.
That
It is up. It is. It's the same volume when you said turn it down.
hey, time for you get a new computer then, man.
Bro, it's fine. It's your end, bro.
I hear all them people getting shot up in the
Yeah, we break
nah,
this, y'all.
you hear
We
about
break
that?
this. What's up? What's up?
The question was, you heard about all them people getting shot up in Atlanta?
Oh, at Kai Cenat after his event or something like that?
Oh,
When
shit,
they
I don't
saying
know.
that? Then nah. I was thinking I seen something like that. Let me see. We got to come down to the 15. All right. If structure holds right here, we good, y'all. If structure holds right here, we good. Because they are printing. We got these low, higher, low situations. So I like that. All right. I like that. We're not breaking. So we break up. All right. 164, 52, 164. Hey, y'all. We're going to be looking to take that breakout. And we're going to look to scale in again. All right. We're going to look to scale in again. We're going to look to scale in again. NAS, I mean, I don't even like NAS. I'm going to tell y'all straight up. Like, I like US 30 way more than NAS. All right, so we're going to really be like, if it was vice versa, like weeks ago, I had like NAS a lot more than US 30. That's when US 30 was playing. You know what I'm saying? Chris, you remember that? US 30 was playing. US 30 was playing. US 30 was playing. They did not want to give us that push. These people crazy, man. Yeah. Was that after Kai Cenat event or that explosion? Is that what you talking about, Aaron? Is that what you talking about? Is that what you talking about? I seen something. I didn't look too much into it because I was trying to get the coffee ready. I was trying to get mentally ready, get up on this live. But I had seen something real quick. It was like an explosion or something like that. Like 19 people got killed, 17 people in critical condition or something. Maybe that's something different. I don't know. Did you hear that, bro?
No, I'm telling you the truth. I don't really get no negative news across my phone.
No, it was on IG. It just as soon as I opened IG, that video just popped up
Hey,
on my feed.
my algorithm's so different from everybody's, bro.
Oh yeah, I know.
Cosmo University, yeah. I
Yeah,
don't, I don't even know nothing about Buddy. Like I ain't never even looked at his page, watched the video, none of that. So his stuff don't never cross my account.
right.
Like I told you, I go down my feed and you'll see I see dumb shit. Sometimes like AB and Dean pop up, but that's like the only thing I see.
Right. hmm
So
Yeah,
I
so
get
we just waiting, y'all. We got 6 minutes to the open. Um, let's see what kind of push we get from either side for real. But we still pushing up. I want y'all to know that. We still pushing up. We still pushing up.
yeah, go pushing up.
We still pushing up.
So I want to see gold go up there and snatch liquidity. That would be the trade for me. I don't like when
Man,
it's range, man. When the market in the range, it just make your trading week trash.
I think we dumped from here. We already swiped liquidity from this area right here.
But it's crazy because I said this earlier in the week, y'all. I told y'all I was gonna be slow like this due to the fact of how big of Monday. Monday was just such a large day that's what they do. Like whenever you have big days like that, just understand that the rest of the week is kind of gonna be slower. Like, but if it's not like that, then if it's like every day seem moderate, you get bigger moves. It seems like, but the moment you have one big day outside in a week, you get that little super dry Tuesday, Wednesday. I need a news event or something to like change the dynamic of the market. It's just a bunch of stuff that goes on like that. So let's see if they push it up though.
See what we get, y'all. Let's see what we get. We right
Yeah,
here.
yeah, we got like 4 minutes to the open.
Let me see. Hold on. Let me see. What is going on with this?
Let's see what happens though. Let's see.
Oh yeah,
6 minutes
we're going up.
on what?
We're going up. We're going up. On gold, we about to fold. I ain't going. I ain't going. I ain't going on gold. I ain't going on gold. Mm-mm.
Down arrow in the box.
Come on, man. Come on, man. I ain't going.
It's kind of hard to believe anything else other than sell. You feel me?
Exactly that part. You know what I mean?
After the
Exactly.
liquidity sweep too.
Right, bro. I'm like, nah, I ain't going. Mm-mm. I ain't going for that.
Yeah.
I ain't going for that.
After the liquidity sweep, yeah, I'm looking. Like I said, I'm looking for that move right there. We're gonna see though. It's all subject to how the open goes, man.
Oh yeah.
Um, well,
And
I
we in
got.
this little. Go ahead.
I'm about to say, well, I got like 3 minutes. Let me jump over here real fast because I gotta keep my other people good too. So real quick on Spy. Spy is doing that pullback. I love to see that. I think Spy continues to pull back because Spy needs to fill this gap, needs to come back down to like 744. So I more than likely would stay short on Spy. Um, these all the same. QQQ also need to come fill this gap. And then IWM the same. I want to see IWM come down here and fill this gap too. So as far as Qs, Spy, and IWM, all still looking for sale. Gold, I'm not gold, Apple. You know what I'm saying? I told you I'm still bullish on Apple, even though we got this little weird little pattern happen. I still think Apple is going over 330. So I'm still watching Apple. SpaceX is actually having a nice start. But like I said, I still wanted to build some structure. Once we get some structure on SpaceX, then I'll really be able to give y'all the details. But as of right now, I'm gonna wait until um the company employees are allowed to sell some of their shares because they can't sell their shares until July 14th. Once they start to sell their shares, and then I see the structure building, boom, I'm gonna be ready for SpaceX. Nvidia, y'all know where I say it's going. I still got it going to 320 up there. So I'm just waiting on it to finish whatever it's doing right now with this pullback, snatching these guys out at the low. It may be coming down here to fill this gap. Once we fill this gap, I'm pretty sure Nvidia is going to get back to the business. Microsoft, still long on Microsoft. Y'all see the entry down there. So I'm still waiting on this to pick back up and turn around. Got a little divergence going on, but that's what happens once we get close to this the orange line. It kind of plays around with that. Amazon, Amazon still going to 300, 285. It's funny. I had a guy on Instagram hit me up, try to call me out, and was like, "What happened to Amazon going to 285?" I'm like, "Bro, like, give it time." Like, I ain't say it was going there the next day. I can't control when it gets there, but I guarantee you, on live, I'm telling you, it's going over 285 this year, if not 300. So just understand this is just a pullback for the next leg up. Even look at it right here. Whenever you see things like this steep pullback like this, you already know the buy is coming. That's the open right there. So we got the 930 bill. So let's
There we go, y'all.
we got going on. So
we're getting that breakout, y'all, right there. Let's go. Let's get that push. All right, so we sitting right here on that trend line. This is what I was talking about. All right, this is what I was talking about. We got to break that. We got to break that. All right, that level of structure and that trend line. Look how hard it rejected off that trend line. So we gotta get above there, right? We gotta get above there.
You gotta wait, my boy.
Huh?
You gotta wait. There, now say it. Your screen wasn't up.
The screen wasn't up.
It's up now. Go ahead.
Can y'all see that?
Yeah.
Oh, your screen wasn't up.
No, your screen wasn't up. I had to pull it up and put it on the screen. You just started talking.
No, it's been up this whole time. What you talking about?
No, that was my chart.
No,
you don't see the feed from our live?
Yeah, I'm looking at it. I'm looking at it now. Now it's on. You
now
was
it's
over
on
there messing around with Amazon and all that.
Right. That was so my screen was up. Now your screen is up. Go ahead.
All right, y'all. This is what I was talking about. This breakout right here, 164 US 30. I was saying we gotta break above this trend line because as soon as we get above here, it's gonna intersect this upper trend line, right? And notice how we getting that hard reaction right here. So I want to see price start pushing in this direction. We got to get above here, right? We got to get above here, and then we're gonna look to we looking to catch this breakout to the upside. Like I said, we can take that up there to 52,300. Yesterday they stopped short. Look at how they did us, y'all. Look how they did us. It was twerking on the line. It was twerking on the line. Stop short. All right, we still need to get up there. I'm not even going. I'm not going. We're going to still keep scaling in and look to keep going long this way. All right, so I need some conviction, though. All right, I need some conviction, y'all. All right, I need some conviction, but 52, 164 right here. All right, and then we looking to push. All right, we looking to push. Let me see what Nas do. Yep, Nas doing exactly what I thought Nas should be doing, selling. All right, Nas can do a deeper pullback, so don't, be easy with Nas. All right, be easy with Nas, because on the daily time frame, all right, on the daily, this is really like a retest, and the market still can pull back deeper on Nas. Okay, so that image looks a little bit different. I'll let my man's cover gold here in a minute. He's gonna talk about gold and see what gold doing on the open, but we really looking to scale this in. All right, we're looking to really scale in on US 30 and really maximize our opportunity to the upside. All right, we're really looking to maximize our opportunity to the upside, y'all. All right, so we're gonna stay long on US 30. Okay, we're gonna stay long on US 30. Go ahead, Brody. You want to break down gold?
Ain't nothing to break down. I'm waiting on it to swipe the high. I mean, you can pull it up.
All right, he waiting on the high to be broke. Let me come up here. He waiting on the high.
Let's go.
Just go.
Yeah, I'm waiting on us to go up there and swipe yesterday high.
Up here?
No, that's 2 days ago. Yesterday is that middle one. Yeah. I don't know what time frame that is, but it should be the middle one.
This is the 4 hour. This is the 15th. Okay, yeah. Okay, that's 2 days ago. All right. Yeah.
Yeah, it
I'm
should
looking
be
for the dump, bro, right here. But hey, but hey, all right. Let's come over here back to US 30. Let's come back over here. Let's go, US 30. Let's get that push. Let's get that push. Let's get that push. Let's get that push. Go ahead, give us that push up there. All right, to 300. Go ahead, give us that push to 300. All right, that's gonna be like 100 and what is that? 134 point. 134 points. 134 points. Who's in? Chat. Turn it up. Who's in? Who's in?
who in that 134 points?
Who's in?
I don't know. I think they was waiting on a retest.
Retest for what? What retest? I didn't talk about no retest. I ain't talking about no retest. I ain't talking about no retest.
Where's that?
I ain't talking about no retest.
Plays. I'm only on gold today.
Go be playing too much sometimes.
Yeah, I'm only locking in on gold. I got the $100 account challenge still running too, y'all. If it go up there, bring in my second position, and then that's all she wrote from up there. Y'all know?
Yeah. Exactly. Come on, get up there, US 30. We still need that candle closure, y'all. All right. We still need that candle closure. We still need that candle closure.
Let me help y'all out.
You see something. You see something. I should have put the captions on. I think on the live it's not available. Probably when I do the replay, I can do it.
There you go. So
there we go. Let's get up there.
Yesterday TP still wasn't hit. So if y'all could still actually be in from the earlier position that we gave y'all on Monday. If y'all are, that's the trade that's on the screen right now. So all that is just a retest of the high. So y'all can already see that retest right there that just happened. That was just a retest of our daily levels. And it's kind of sitting right on top of that daily level on US 30. So we still attacking that sell zone. So if you're looking at the software, just understand that's your support level that it's sitting right at. And you still should be targeting the sell zone from your original position. So US 30 is on the right, gold is on the left. Now, if gold or US 30, if US 30 closes below that white dotted line right here, it's definitely coming all the way back down here to 51,588. But as long as that line holds, your target should be the bottom of the sell zone. That's all the way up at 52,326. So once you get to 52,326 right up here in this area, you can expect either a pullback from here or there, but a pullback will come sooner or later. And as y'all can see, gold is going right to where I figured it would go, straight up there to go snatch that high. So it's only around 150 more points. I mean, it's only around $10 more. 14 to be exact.
Who's in, y'all? Who's in? Let me see. Who's in? All right, let me see. Who's in, y'all? Oh.
That's a high. That's a perfect bounce right there, straight off of that level. So that actually would have been an entry, honestly, if you didn't get in that day. So if y'all be forgetting software on y'all softwares, when you seen it close above this level, you could have had the entry here, and then to there. So you still had a possible 369. just from level to level. As you can see, that's the retest right there. So continuation should go straight there. But if you're in from yesterday, the entry from yesterday is right here, still targeting that same TP level.
And y'all already know. We ain't there you go. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Y'all already know where I'm headed. So we ain't just stopping there. We ain't stopping. We ain't stopping there. Let's see. We swinging these. Now, that could be a TP1 though. And y'all definitely could partial your position. But I'm gonna give y'all a different partial. I'm gonna give y'all a different. We still, like I said, we still got to hit that 300. So that was yesterday's uh, in the group anyway. Y'all know we was targeting 300, but we still need to break above this level. All right, we still need to break above this level. Want to see candle? We still got 5 minutes. This is 15-minute. All right, so we still need to break, and then 300. All right, 300 could definitely be a partial type position, and then a protect for sure. All right, especially with FOMC later. All right, for sure. All right, for sure. For sure. We get above here, go here, partial. Like I said, today's entry, that's like well over 100 points. Now, if you got in from the other day that I had talked about US 30, I mean, we was down here, y'all. Look, me and my mans was talking about that, right? As he started pushing, he say, man, I should have got in. I'm like, man, just wait, be patient. You know what I'm saying? Be patient. We come in here. Look, tapped us in, perfect execution. You know what I'm saying? Look, perfect execution to here, 531 points, y'all. 531 points. 531 points. We're giving y'all free chicken on the lives, man. All right? Giving y'all free chicken on the lives. 531 points. All right? And if y'all was on the lives, you know what I'm talking about. I was waiting on that area. I knew we'd come down there and actually go down there and hit that, and we still targeting 300. All right, we should definitely hit 300 today. All right, today we should hit 300. All right. And if we don't hit 300, we don't hit 300 today, I'm quitting trading. All right.
Oh, well, don't bet your money on that then. Might as well just call that a gamble then. I can tell you right now, this chart ain't about to do nothing until FOMC, and FOMC definitely will change the picture of anything you see. So,
for sure.
if you want to put your career on the line, gambling, Kevin Walsh first FOMC, we're
Come
gonna
on,
see.
man. I do this, man. I do this, man. I do this.
All right, y'all. Y'all heard him. We don't hit 300 today. He done trading. He won't be on no more lives.
No more. I'm
And
done.
if he is, he's just gonna be background noise. We don't been down this road before. he fired from
Look, this is
sports.
what you got to understand, though.
You
This
fired
isn't a
from
big.
sports betting picks. You fired from the charts after this. All right, just understand that.
Hold on, man. Hold on. Every time you jump on the picks, I
I
understand.
lose.
You
Every time
lose.
I
But
go
bro,
pick,
prior
I
to that,
lose.
be frying them. Be frying them all week long. It just, I don't know. It's you, bro. It's you. I'm convinced. Cause it's you.
Every time
It's
he want
you.
to call me in the
Cause
middle
after
of the
that L, hey, after that L, I get right back to it. Boom.
yeah,
And
he be
get back to
lining me
frying
up.
them.
Yeah, you just want me to lose money. It's cool, man.
I be
Look,
taking them too,
they
though.
be praying
I
on
be
my
taking them
downfall.
too.
It ain't gonna happen, man.
Bro, I be taking them too.
They be praying on my downfall, y'all. It ain't
I
gonna
be
happen.
I
I
be
ain't going.
taking them.
You're gonna take a
I be
lot more.
taking them.
Gonna take a lot more than some phony sports betting fix.
Dog. I sure be like, damn, every time I give my man's a pick, it do lose. All week long, you just be watching. Oh, I ain't take that one. I ain't take that one. And be smacking. Oh, I ain't take that one. It's smack. Then we lose. Then you like, see, it be losing. Then you don't bet it again. And then the rest of the week, be up, bro.
He hit me with the Yankees at home. I
You
guarantee you
gotta
right there.
you gotta
Schmack.
take them all. You gotta take them all. Come on. We got. Hold on. Let me come back to my 15. All right, let's come back to the 15. There we go. There we go. We got 1 minute. Come on, get up there. Let me see what Nas do. Ooh, look at Nas. I know somebody is mad. I know somebody is mad at that. Ooh wee. I know somebody's hot for sure. For sure. Like 100-point drop, over 100-point drop just to pull it all the way back. I know somebody's mad. Somebody's mad for sure. Somebody's mad for sure.
That's always the case with Nas.
I don't. I'm telling you right now, Nas is gonna have his rebound for sure. But right now, we all over US 30. All right, we all over US 30.
Where US 30 buck up.
We all over US 30. Come on, get up there. Get up there. Get up there. That's what I'm talking about. Get up there. Get up there. Dubs in the chat. We running it up. Dubs in the chat. Dubs in the chat. Let's go. Let's go. Get up there.
We need gold to get up there. That's what we need.
Man. Let me stay over here where the water's warm. Let me stay over here where the water's warm. It's too cold over there. It's too cold over there.
It's the beginning of the week.
Man,
it's only Wednesday.
Forget about all that.
I ain't gonna lie though. With it only being Wednesday, we're gonna need a big Thursday, Friday.
Big Thursday.
I think Friday gonna be a big day. I don't think it's gonna be Thursday. I think it's gonna be Friday. I think whatever the terms is that they drop is going to dictate how this week turns out for every last market. That's absolutely 100% what I believe. I believe they're going to have to either get the people excited or they're going to have to, like, get everybody like, damn, this man don't know how to make a deal. So I think that's going to dictate a lot. But I'm going to tell you, if them indices is up there in that sell zone on Friday, they sell them. Terms gonna be bad if it's up there. All right, no, that's for sure.
Calm that talk down, bro. Calm that talk down, bro. No way.
Listen, if the indices in this sell zone on Friday, I guarantee y'all it sells all the way back down.
Man, every time you say guaranteed, bro, it do the complete opposite.
That's never right.
Every time you say guaranteed or 1,000%.
Hey, let's bet your trading career on that. Let them indices be in that sell zone by Friday. I bet you that motherfucker reverse the whole week.
Hey man.
Hey, the whole week.
Say man. Hey man, say man. Huh?
The whole week getting reversed if they in that sell zone Friday.
Hey chat, look it. Hit 300. I guess I can still keep trading, huh? I do this. Damn it. What I tell my boy? I do this. I told you. 300.
I don't know what 300 he hit, y'all.
Look, come to my screen, bro. 52, look, come to my screen, man.
190, whatever.
Chat. Come to my screen. He over there on that FX. I told him get off that. Come over to my stuff.
Yeah, you
come
need
over
to
to the come over to the screen, bro. Look, 300, bro. 52, 300, bro. I guess I can keep trading, huh? 52, 300. What I tell you? What I tell you?
Mm-hmm.
What I tell you? What I tell? I do this, bro. I do this, bro. I do this for real. Let them know. Let them know. Let them know.
Yeah, I don't know what that chart is. That chart is...
Bruh, you need to get off of that FXCM, get off of that, and come back over here where the water's warm on Owanda. You know what I'm
That
saying?
chart trash.
Come on over to Owanda.
That
Come
chart
on
trash.
over to Owanda, bruh.
I would never go to that chart.
Come on, bruh. Look at y'all. We hit, if you took the breakout, 156 points, y'all. 156 points. I'm giving free chicken.
Go to your daily.
Look, chat. Free chicken.
Go to your
Spicy.
daily.
Spicy. All right, spicy.
Go to your daily.
When you go to Harold's Chicken, they say you want the mild or you want the hot.
Yeah,
we running it up.
Go to your daily.
What about it, bruh?
Did you break the previous?
What about it? We going up.
Did you break the previous day high?
Yes.
Oh yeah, that chart ass. Don't never.
No, your chart ass. I told you get off of that thing. I told you get off of that thing.
I never use that.
I told you get off of that thing. Come on over to the winner's circle, man. Come on over here. Look, yesterday on live, you were saying you got all this stuff going on. You know what I'm saying? You need to refocus. Don't worry, dog. Your boy got you, bruh. I got you. I'm going to give you the plays, and you focus on the other stuff, bruh.
Hey, everybody, I want y'all to understand this. His chart says prices at 52,300, right? Trash, right? Never follow that chart. That chart makes absolutely no sense. If you go and look at the real chart, let me take this down. On CNBC, it says that the price is at 52,175. And where does my chart say we at? 52,172. His chart is trash. Dude, never follow that chart looking for numbers, bro. If you want to follow the real market, you want to follow Yahoo Finance, you want to follow CNBC, you want to know where your money really is at, look over there, bro.
You're making me so tired. You're making me so tired. Oh my God. I bet the chat is just tired of winning. Nah, we win so much, bro. We win so much.
Chart is garbage.
Stop the cap, bro. Stop it. You're making me tired, bro. I just had coffee. Now I gotta go get another cup because you know what I'm saying? The energy is off in here, chat.
Hold on. Go ahead. I gotta take this call.
Hey, y'all. Hey. Hey, man. Say, man. Listen. Am I wrong, y'all? Am I wrong? Huh? Am I wrong, y'all? We be cooking them. I don't care if that chart says 52,161. That means I'll go over to his chart, FXCM, and slaughter FXCM.
All right, I'm back.
All right.
Yeah, that chart, boy, is ass.
Your chart is delayed. That's all it is, bro. It's delayed. Bro, I got the time machine. Look, I got the time machine. If mine is at 52,300, you could just take it to the bank because you got to catch up. You lagging. They showing you a lagging chart, bro. They don't want you to win. I love you. I'm trying to see you win. You know what I'm saying? You're lagging, bro. Come on over here where the water's warm, bro. Come on over here. Come on over here.
I'm following CNBC, what Yahoo Finance, and what the public chart say.
That's the problem. The public chart. The public chart. They want y'all to lose over there, bro. They want the public to just lose. Setting y'all up for failure, bro. Come on over here. I got you, bro.
You will be up 234 points right now if you took the entry off today's chart.
Man, forget all that, bro. Forget all that. When they was on here the other day, I told y'all where we're pulling back to. My boy didn't believe me. I say we pulling back to here. Man, we pull right to there, and you could have been up 600 something points as of yesterday. Forget about this 200. I'm feeding the people out here, man. You know what I'm saying? 600 points.
That chart say that price is broken the previous day high is
It's
ridiculous.
going to, bro. Watch your chart. I bet you your chart is gonna break the high, and you gonna find out today that your chart is lagging, my boy. Your chart is lagging.
It ain't.
Your chart
It
is
didn't.
lagging, bro. They setting
It
you
only,
up, bro.
listen, it only moved 178 points today.
Man, bro. Stop
183.
it, bro. I'm about to fall asleep, bro. Stop it, bro. You making me tired, bro.
Hey,
Stop it, bro. Look at how. Come on back over here, bro. We can't look at that. We
the
can't look at that screen.
MT4, the MT4 ain't showing that. Nothing is showing that right there.
Look, come over here. Look, this is where I said to break out from. This is where I said we breaking out. 164, did I not? I said 164.
What's your low? What is your low?
I'm not worried about the low. That pushed 170 points from the entry. I said take the breakout, 164, 170 points. I can't make that up.
Yeah, you can't even tell me. Look though, your low gotta be 52,054.
Where right here?
Yeah.
It's let me get that wick right there. Hold on. Let me see.
You got the crosshair.
Hold on. I got you, bro. Let me look at that. Let me get the there's this one tool on here. It's the
man, you can hover over the candle and it tell you in the top left of the screen where the C is at. That's the low. Where the L is at, I meant.
No, what I'm saying though.
The top left of the screen. It do. At the top left of the screen is the numbers on the screen right there. It says L. It shows everybody the open, high, low, close. Yes. What is the L?
Yeah, right here. Yeah.
What does it say when you put it over that candle?
52,085.
Exactly. All right, your chart is already 100 points off. That's why your chart say you hit 300.
Bro, no, bro. It doesn't matter, bro. It don't like look. Let me explain something to you. You keep worried about the price point. Dog, you keep worried about the price point. Forget the price point. I'm talking about the actual structure. We going here and we going here. And I'm giving you where we're going, right? Where we're going, where we're entering, gate, a whole breakdown, everything. Everybody been eating on US 30. Forget about it. Says 52,185, 52,300. Who cares?
We just
at the end of the day, where is the structure, my man? Where is the structure, my man?
We're not looking at the future chart, bro. We're looking at the actual chart, not no futures market.
This ain't futures.
That chart is.
This chart is not futures.
It is. I'm telling you.
Man, look.
If your low is already up 100 points, that's a futures chart.
Okay, look. Let me just ask you something. Did you click the button? When I said we taking the breakout? That's all I want to know.
No, I'm already in still. I've been in since
Monday. But did you get in the 2 days ago when I said this is where we pulling back to?
No, I got in where I got in where I pulled
see,
back
right there. That's 2 no's, and you could be up. You know what I'm saying?
I'm up over 5K.
Man, somebody come over here and tell them, man. You could have been up over 10K. You could have been up over 10K.
They would have took the same size trade. It moved the same amount.
Hey, Chris, tell him, man. Chris, tell him, man. Let him know. Yeah. Look at what I tell you. We're gonna break the high. Your candle is finally starting to break the high. I'm telling you, yours is the lag.
It ain't a lag. That's the actual price. Yours is just a futures.
Man, forget about that. I got the time machine, right? I'm trying to show you the way. Let them know, chat. Let them know.
Hopefully it starts selling then on gold.
I can't see no more comments. If anybody commented, I don't know what happened.
No, they ain't say nothing.
Oh, okay.
I'll say something.
Let's see. Look at that. Just beautiful. Just beautiful. Breaking out. Breaking out. What is good, y'all? Over here live with my man. We over here slaughtering the chart. We over here slaughtering the chart. We running it up. We live on YouTube. All right, we live on YouTube. I've been trying to tell my mans, all right, today that we taking the breakout for another entry. All right, we taking the breakout right here, y'all. All right, right here at 52, 164. Told everybody we taking a breakout long. That was TP1, 52, 300. We pushed well over 170 points live on YouTube, giving it out. Y'all need to tap in. Let's get it. Let's get it.
We had 201.
Let's get it. At the end of the day, y'all, we don't trade futures chart.
Well, trade futures chart.
Look at you. Look at you.
I trade with CNBC and Yahoo Finance.
Setting y'all up for failure. Setting
right.
y'all up.
When I look at the chart, I better see what everybody see.
Huh? No, why you want to see what everybody see? That they setting y'all up right there.
I don't want no predictive markets, man.
It ain't predictive. The only thing that's predictive around here is me. I'm telling y'all where are we going. You know what I'm saying? I'm telling you where we going.
Well, we gotta hit 300 on the real chart by the end of the day, or your career is over.
It already hit 300. We already did it. I still got my trading career, bro. I still got my trading career.
Not on that chart.
It don't matter what you talking about, bro.
Better say.
I don't care what that say, bro. Nah, get off that.
300.
Get off that.
CNBC, Yahoo Finance don't say 300. Your career is over.
No, it's already in the bag, bro. I already hit it. You see the line. 52, 300. I don't care what that chart says. That chart is ass.
I don't like that close on gold. Oh, man.
For what? For what?
For the
you know gold, bro. Gold is just, damn. Just, bro, up and down, up and down, up and down. Just like, bro, make the move. Make the move.
I wanted a deeper pullback than that.
I bet you did. I bet you did. We getting the dump is what we finna get.
Oh, my bad, y'all. Let's look at his futures chart. I bet your futures chart probably higher already.
Let's see. Let's see. Hold on.
Your futures chart probably at 4,400.
Let's see. Stop it, Cap.
We need to go to 4,400, huh?
Hold on, God. Look. Yeah. That's the retest, y'all. That's the retest. We going long. Hold on. Where my gold at? We have 43.39, man. Come on, bro.
Yeah.
It's right where yours is at.
That's weird. Look, that don't even make sense.
Bruh. I'm telling you. Come on over here, bro.
My chart shouldn't even be in the same area.
Come on over here. 43.39, man. We getting this dump, man. We getting this dump. What we don't want to see, y'all, we don't want to see this upper trend line being broke. We want this upper trend line to stay holding, and we want to start breaking structure right below here. All right. We definitely want to see this level of structure. For sure. Be broke. What is that? What is that? Like 4309? 4309, 4308? Yeah, we in there. I mean, we already in there. Like we about to cook. We about to cook. We're gonna stay to the downside. We're gonna stay to the downside. My man keep talking about this push up and all that. It swiped liquidity last night. Actually swiped liquidity the other day, to be honest with you, right here. This was a liquidity swipe right here. You can see that. Ended up pushing up, manipulation, reversal. Here come the dump. Here come the dump. Here come the dump.
Yeah, we need candle close under 43.16.
Yeah. I feel that. We going up, y'all. Look at that. That's a strong 4-hour candle, y'all. Got a nice reversal on the 4-hour time frame. Got a nice upper trend line being broke, man. Let's go long. All right, let's go to the moon. What Nas talking about? What Nas over there doing? Selling, just like I anticipated. Go ahead and pull back. We can definitely pull back. We'll get in on Nas too, though, y'all. All right, and Nas just ain't ready yet.
Yeah,
Nas
Nas
ain't ready yet.
once they done making the move.
Yeah, Nas ain't ready yet, y'all. We'll come back to Nas, but we'll leave Nas alone for right now. No point to force anything that ain't there. All right, ain't no point to force nothing that ain't there.
Mm-hmm.
Ain't no point to force nothing that ain't there. Hey, Chris, man.
My boy be talking some nonsense. We know.
Hey, Chris, man. This is how we be, man. When it's this is real time. You know what I'm saying? This is real time. Ain't no script, ain't no nothing. This is real time. Bro, I need to put a hoodie on. It is cold, bro. Why you got this thing on freeze mode, bro?
Man, I had one last night. I be going to sleep AC on like 58. My lady be mad. Like, bro, I gotta be cold when I sleep. I can't sleep in no hot. Gold about the dump. We waiting to see.
We waiting, Shane. We waiting for sure. Stay on the sell side for sure. Like, we are on the sell side for sure. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. My boy's finally about to get to 52,300 on his chart on US 30. I told him. He gonna get to 300. He gonna get to 300. Gold though. No, all jokes aside though, gold. Yeah, I mean, my man to break down gold. I know he wants to swipe a liquidity up there, prior to getting the dump.
And, I did the breakdown. I'm just waiting on it to happen.
Yeah.
The play is on the screen.
Yeah.
Yeah. Once I see us get up here and swipe yesterday high, I think that's when we'll start to get that down.
Yeah.
I think right now they manipulating the chart. So I just think right now you gotta just sit on your hands. And he was saying don't break that trend. They breaking that bitch for sure, nigga. They definitely gonna break that. They gonna have to. We got to see. I really think we still go up there to 400 though. That's my only
44.
Yeah. But we sitting inside the daily zone. We haven't. The thing is, it's sitting in such a weird area. It haven't bought or sold. Like we ain't go ahead and hit the 0. We ain't hit the 100. We ain't hit the 50. We ain't hit nothing.
Yeah.
It's just literally lingering in between the two zones. So I'm just like, I know we need to go back to the high. So go ahead and just get up there real fast at 43.54. The actual 43.54. Once we get up there,
I'm just gonna let you have it, bro. I'm just gonna let you believe what it is you trying to believe.
Once we get up there, we'll figure out what's going on with gold.
You know, I'm gonna let you rock, man.
We need a rejection.
I don't want to stick a pin in your balloon, bro. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to stick a pin in your balloon. Man, I know you don't want to believe that your chart is off, but it's all right.
Your chart is off.
It's okay. Hey, it's okay. It's okay, man. It's okay. It's okay.
Don't nobody know where them levels at, man.
You crazy? Hey, man. Chat, let them know. Let them know. I'll be dropping fire, man. I'll be dropping fire. They be making the bag, man.
We just broke this previous 4-hour high, so I'm pretty sure we're going there now.
Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. Let me see.
Get up to 43.54.
Let me see. Look at US 30, y'all. Man, we at 400. 32,400. We touching 32,400. 32,400. From yesterday's or 2 days ago. 2 days ago, we up almost 700 points, y'all. 700 points.
Yeah, somewhere about right there.
We have 700 points from entry.
Man, I'm gonna stop pulling your screen up if you're gonna keep just taking it down every time I
Oh,
pull it
my
up.
bad. Hold on.
I know y'all getting annoyed with him doing that because he the one doing that. That is not me. Every time he pull his screen up, he pull it down. Like, bro, leave your screen on the screen. Little mama,
Yeah.
up early. It's 7 o'clock for you? Nah, it's 6. No, it's 8.
It's 8. It's 8.
Oh, yeah. She said she
Hold on
got
one
money.
second, y'all. My bad, y'all. Yeah. My fault. Yeah,
Go
yeah,
ahead.
yeah.
I'll take it over now.
Yeah, my bad, y'all, for switching the screen. I apologize. That's my fault, y'all. That's my fault. But look at this. This is perfection, y'all. This is perfection right here. Look at the entry. Now I can do this all the time. I'm talking about I can give snipers all the time. It just, you know, sometimes you miss out on the opportunity sometimes. Waiting for it to actually hit. But then it comes back. Like I knew Naz was about to dump hard as ever yesterday. Up 710 points.
What are we talking about over there?
I don't know.
Yeah, I don't think go gonna do anything for season, which is disgusting. They had a trash week. Yeah, it's been a slow week. Can't even lie. Oh, my man done dropped off. All right, y'all. Pull this up. There.
Yeah, we soaring though. We soaring, y'all. We soaring.
He talking about y'all got me weak. Man, you know how he is, man. Buddy got the wrong chart, then he want to blame the people.
Man, you crazy.
See, that's the problem. They always want to be different. Don't ever want to follow the rules, man. This is why people. This is why people don't be knowing how to set their limits. Their limits be all over the place.
What you talking about, man? What you over here talking about, man?
Everybody setting they price points. They buy stops. They sell stops. They buy limits. 200 points off. Waking up trying to figure out why they trades ain't activate.
Man, let somebody who's gonna tell them, man. Who's gonna tell them? Hey, man, who's gonna tell them? You finally wake up, man? Got my little man over here. He was knocked out through all this ruckus.
Oh,
Who's gonna tell him, man?
where is that? Let me see something.
Who's gonna tell him, man? Who's gonna tell him I really do this for real? We're gonna let him know. We're gonna let him know. Price points be on point, man.
Why do I feel like they're going to go to that 4,500 area?
I don't know. We're gonna see when that news drop. We're gonna see when that news drop. Let me see.
I don't know. I wanted to dump though, but I feel like at this point I'm wanting.
Mm-hmm.
It's a strong possibility it can.
Huh? That's my screen messing up. My screen messing up.
Let's
Let's see.
Let me go check on something else. Silver got the same exact image as gold, which is why I believe, like I said, buy is coming. I see this coming right here. It looks like they're about to push on and come all the way up here to the sale limit.
What? Mm-hmm.
This is already the retest. They had a little support there. I don't know. I just don't feel like they're about
Turn
to
the light back on, please. Turn.
I feel like this is gonna end up. I think this is gonna end up. Silver gonna end up buying and touching up here, but I don't want to say that because of the trend. The trend is your friend, and it don't cross like this too many times, especially not on this software. So that's the only reason why I would say that the buy is going to hold. NASDAQ, they can come down here and finish doing this retest down here at 26. I'm at 29,656. And then from here, NASDAQ literally can turn around and shoot all the way back up to the top. So like he said, we still just going to wait on NAS, let NAS figure out what it want to do. I definitely want to see it come back down here, though, to 29,772, 29,722. And then I want to see what happens from there. US 30 still going to the same target for anybody that's just came. Still going to the same sell limit right there. So slowly but surely it's getting up there. Oil finally hit that bottom, and I told y'all I was gonna hit that bottom and reject. So oil don't hit this low. Oil can end up turning around from right here, but we're gonna see. I do know that oil got a new buying trend, so I'm not gonna think that it's gonna push down too much lower. So oil could turn around in this area, but we're gonna wait and see for that too. And then like gold, like I said, gold, I do want it to sell, but for some reason, I feel like we're coming here to the sell zone. I feel like they're gonna use that news to push it up higher. So we're gonna see how it goes from there, though. It's all a waiting game. The weekly broke the previous week high. This is definitely the rejection area. So we still have a sell off. I prefer to have a sell off in this area. If I'm being honest, I gotta stay true to the software. I gotta stay on the sales. If I'm being honest. I can't not stay true to the sell. Yeah, I think oil might hit 200 as well, though. Honestly, because if you look at the chart right here on oil, it's a brand new trend, right? That's why I think this war news ain't gonna be as good as they said it is. This is a brand new buy trend. Y'all know these trends hold, and these trends take time to develop. But once they find a base right here, I think oil coming to break this high. Oil definitely can go to 200 if you ask me. I definitely don't see oil selling too much lower than this area right here.
I don't see it either.
Yeah. I don't know. We might have to have him pull up his charts. Oil might already be at 200. Let us know, Mr. Fortune Teller over there. This chart might
Hey,
already say 200 on oil, so you know.
it's that 76, man. It's that 76.
Oh
We got.
yeah,
I'm gonna say this though. We got a nice reversal candle on a 4-hour time frame, right
yeah.
in the strong support area on oil. I think we can most definitely, after this 4-hour candle closes in like, well, it's gonna be another 3 hours. We got another 3 hours and 41 minutes left of this 4-hour candle, and I think definitely we can definitely push back to the upside on oil. I think it's a good buy on oil,
Yeah,
honestly.
I hope y'all been paying attention too, man. It's ironic how his oil say 76 and my oil say 76. His gold say 341 and mine say 341, but his US 30 is $100 off. That ain't a red flag to y'all. You telling me that ain't a red flag? The only one that's on yours that don't match my price is US 30, man.
Man, listen,
That's the only one.
just stay over there on Euro
What your,
USD.
what your
Look,
NAS say? What your NAS
look,
say? Your NAS say 30,000
look, look.
146.
Go back to trading Euro USD. I got all this over here, bro.
Man,
I got all this. We gonna manage the price points, everything.
I ain't
You know
never
what
in my
I'm
life traded euro. That slow ass garbage.
saying? Hold up. What you say about Nas? Let me see. Hold on.
I said,
Let
your
me.
NAS better be at 30,000 149. He gonna be like, yeah.
What? No, no. It's at 200.
Oh no, $60 ain't bad. They ain't as bad as your US 30.
Where's your US 30 at?
It's at 222.
222. Yeah, mine's at 367.
Yeah. Look at that. That's $140 difference.
Yeah, but it don't matter, bro. You too worried about
Oh,
the price point. Listen, you getting too hung up on the price point itself that it don't even matter, because at the end of the day, we gonna look at where the market is actually at on the structure. The price
let
point
me
is the price point. So if you had a different chart, right? So like pull up your chart. I'm gonna come to your chart. Pull up your US 30 real quick.
yeah, we got
Pull up
different
your US 30. Go to the 4 hour.
structure points though.
No, it's the same. It don't matter. And that's exactly what I'm talking about. It don't matter. So look. So now go to the previous high. Nope. Go to the body of it.
This
Right
one
there. No, the
or this one?
body. Yeah, right there. Okay, just stay right there. Okay, 104. Right there. So at 104 this morning, you would have just been taking the breakout. You would have been taking the breakout above structure. Now measure that from there to the top of that wick. How many points are you at?
You saying if I took that trade from there,
Yeah. How
from
many
here,
points are you at? Yeah. To the top of the wick.
that's 154.
Okay. 154. You be up 154. You're still up money. You too worried about the price point itself when you would have been, when I said, hey, we about to, at this structure break right here, we're about to take the long. So regardless of however way you looking at it, once we break this specific structure point, we're in the trade. Now, if you go down to a 15 minute, go down to 15 minute, because that's how we took the trades off 15 minute. I gotta teach him, man. I gotta put him back in my mentorship.
I'm about to school you. Go ahead. I'm gonna let you finish your statement first.
Hold on. Now, okay, so now go where the structure's at. Zoom your chart in on the 15-minute time frame and come down.
That's right here.
Nope, go down because we didn't catch it up there. Go down.
What you saying right here?
That's where we took the breakout, right there. All right, so from right there is where I said we are taking the trade. We're taking the buy right there. We took the buy right there for the breakout. Did I not, chat? Did I not? I drew it all out, right? So now measure from right there to the top. How much, where are you at?
From here to there is 252.
Exactly.
247.
Exactly. 252. 252. So you still be up the same amount of points that we are all in on this live. You still would be up 252 points. It don't matter if your chart says 51 or 52.62 and there's 100 points off, you still are up the same amount of points at the same level that I just told everybody to get in. Go ahead.
No, that's not the case that we're making, and that's not true. What we're talking about is actual value of it, right? Because when you're talking about value, this actually holds a value. So I need to know what the actual value is. This is like your mom telling you she put money in your under your pillow and told you it was $100, and when you got there it was $10, and she drew an extra zero on there. That's what you got going on right now. The actual
No, bro. No. Bro, no. No. If you
I'm
take
talking
if you
about the
take the
actual
entry,
value
hell
of
nah,
the
bro.
my
Man,
boy.
hell nah.
Yeah.
Man, hell nah.
Oh look,
If
wait,
you
my
take
bad.
the you're
Time out. I gotta get over here. That's that breakout. I knew Go was gonna do that. That's why I was trying to tell y'all. All right, that motherfucker is moving.
no, that mother moving. We'll
And
come back to US 30, y'all. But he wrong. I'm tell you that right now. But yeah, yeah,
yeah,
yeah. Go ahead. Go ahead on gold.
I think. I mean, if they break the previous day high, we going to yeah, we break both of them highs, bro. I think it's going to that 44 area. I can't even lie to you. But something kind of told me that might be the case. But we got to see how it react in this area. Like, 'cause this could be a strong liquidity grab. If it's the previous day high. Live traders first take. Yeah. Fucking Shaq and Charles Barkley.
Yeah, no, that'd be Stephen A. Smith and Max
No, I
Kellerman and them. Yeah.
would. But right here, this is the break. So I don't know, man. If we break this high over here, y'all, that's all she wrote. We going to full. We going to the sell zone.
To
I
the
gotta
sale
add.
zone.
I gotta add another alert over here. If we break this high, we going to the sell zone. There is no way we're not. But I knew that was coming right there. That's why I was like, man, something is telling me that we cannot trust that. We cannot trust this. We cannot trust these folks, man. So this is my current trade.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
All right, this is my current position though, right there, bro. We got to see what happens, bro. They probably about to. I'm probably about to lose, man. My other position last night is low ski. It's got serious. Like I ain't want to see no strong candle like that. I ain't gonna lie to you. But that candle, we gonna need a hard reversal right off of that candle right there.
Mm-hmm. Or reversal on the next one for sure.
Yeah,
Something for
it
sure.
definitely can't break this high though. If it even wick this high, it's going here. Like it cannot hit that next alert. So let me go ahead and close that. It cannot hit that next alert. If it hit that next alert, yeah, I gotta get out. They messed my ticket up, man. I had a flawless ticket this week. Oh my god. I took
Oh, I'm about to say it can't be on gold because gold ain't even made the move we needed to make.
nah, I took a small L on gold like 550, and then I took another smack L on Nash trying to take that second position yesterday,
Mm.
and they did that hard pullback. I had to get out. It erased all my profits for Monday.
Oh,
But now I just need gold to stay right here. Gold break that high though. I don't know, my boy.
right.
Yeah,
Yeah, it'd be 4,400 after all. Now,
yeah.
now here's the thing, like, because earlier in the week or on the weekend,
We was saying,
Chris had asked me, like, bro, can you see 4,400? And I'm like, man, hell no. I mean, I can see 4,400 for sure. Like, I could see 4,400, but I'm like, I can't see 4,400. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Mhm.
if that makes sense. But I'm like, it definitely can. But I'm like, now we're gonna have to break some structure going up there. And I just didn't think that they was ready to do that quite yet. You know what I'm saying? So, but if we definitely break there, if we definitely candle closure anyway, not just some wicking, then hey,
Man, fuck that. Wait, I'm out.
man,
They should,
man,
they should not be taking out that arrow, my boy.
mm-mm,
The
mm-mm,
last thing they should do.
for real. So
This
that's why
will
I'm
be.
like, I don't know, 44. I'm like, but I can see 44.
Oh no, I couldn't see 44 last week, but once we had that gap, 44
Oh,
definitely was
that,
ability.
yeah,
The gap was just too many points. I'm like,
yeah.
y'all already jumped at 100 points off the gap. Like I knew they wouldn't buy it back 200 points, but the moment they did what they just did, yeah, I might have to. Mm-hmm. That's gonna be like a 3K loss if that mug go to the high. 10:30. We need that 15-minute candle to close, and then we need a hard rejection. But I don't like it. I'm gonna tell you the truth. Already, the trend is still up. Like I said on the lower time frame, I pointed this out the other day. The trend was up. Said if we don't get this cross back to the downside, it's gonna keep buying. It's gonna target this area up here. So that's just where it is. It's definitely gonna target the sell zone if we break that high. Last thing you want to do is break that high. Look like it's about to. Dang man, bad blues. Knew this was coming.
Hey y'all, and if you find a value on the channel, make sure y'all hit the like button and make sure y'all subscribe if you ain't subscribed either. All right, we're gonna be going live and we're gonna be running this thing up. So make sure y'all turn your bells on. Let's make sure y'all turn your bells on so you can catch the lives when we go live.
Let's see. I think it's such bro. This trade so crazy, bro. They definitely can push that thing up there, bro. I won't be.
Mm-hmm. We're gonna see what happens with this new because I'm gonna be hot. I'm gonna be hot. They just snatched the high and
Dump it.
drop that thing like lightning.
Like, look, we were talking about this trade last night. It ain't looking too good right now.
No, I'm good.
Yeah, we were talking about this last night.
I told you I had a tight. I told you I had a tight stop, just $3.
Yeah, I need this to figure out what
That
it's.
thing actually dumped. It actually pulled back though. I was
Oh
up
no,
there.
it had a nice little pullback last night. It went back to that level.
Yeah, yeah. I had a nice little. I had a nice little go on that. I told
Mm.
you. I told you. I look good.
Yeah, I gotta see. I gotta see what it's gonna do. These my two. This would be the situation. If it stopped me out, I'm waiting on the retest. I'm in, and I'm going to the sell zone. Man.
You taking the counter, huh?
I'm gonna have to.
Taking the counter up.
I'm gonna have to. I gotta make that back. I can't take that loss.
You say I'm about to make it back. Gotta take the counter.
I already ain't I broke even on Nas. I ended up getting like $300 out of that. I was up almost 5K. Lost that trade. Terrible.
Nas just don't look good.
Nah, Nas need to do a full retest.
Yeah, Nas just don't look good. Nas don't look good at all. I'm gonna wait this 4 hours out because I want to see US 30 push up, y'all. Give us that push. And the fact gold buying up right now, the fact gold buying up for news. Let's see if it yanks back extremely hard prior to news.
Yeah, it's good.
That's gonna be really good. But two, the fact they pushing this up right now before news
It's
makes me
also
think they
good.
gonna drop this thing for news.
That's the bad thing. They both
That's
good. It's like
that.
they
Hey,
both look good. It's like you're gonna have to sit here and take a risk today. It's like risk it
yeah.
for the biscuit.
Or
And
don't, you know what I'm
oh,
saying? Or
man,
just don't. But I'm saying, like, the fact they pushing this up right now before news makes me believe for news you about to drop this. Especially if we don't take that arrow out. Especially if we don't take out that 4 hour arrow too, and it actually just stays below. And I've seen this too many times. You know what I'm saying? They push it up, but the fact they pushing the market up before the news event, you gonna reverse this thing. You gonna reverse this thing. We already in the downtrend. I gotta stay on. I gotta stay on it. I gotta stay on the sell side. You can buy up, but I'm just gonna wait to take the sell again. I refuse to hit the buy button. I can't do it. I can't do it. No way. No way.
I don't know, man.
No way. No way. I
I ain't
can't do
think
it.
I didn't think it was gonna come over here that aggressively. I did not think it was gonna come over here with that such a strong candle to get back to this area.
Yeah, or that too.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, they definitely can.
yeah, definitely can.
If they don't do anything and they push it back up some more, yeah. It's just you gotta watch it. Like I'm telling y'all, we break Monday high. I don't think it sells. I'm sorry.
Yeah, we check out that. Yeah, I feel
We
that.
take out that Monday high. I don't think it sells. I think that's a continuation sign.
You said
But I could
sign for
definitely see it. I could definitely see them doing some gold shit and not moving at all from this area. Like I said, I just wanted to see them tweak out and take out yesterday high. So that part is already accomplished.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, now we just need like my boy, we need it. It ain't trying to go nowhere.
It ain't trying to go nowhere.
Cause that's only a $10 move. Risking $14 on this.
It's dying out.
Need it.
We need that die out for real, and a crash for real. But before this news, now this was the high you was referring to, so it's like
Yeah,
right
that's the high. I
here.
take the high out right
Yeah,
there.
yeah, it could pull back and stay below. And on US 30, y'all, we getting this little pullback. But I'm still waiting for this 4 hour candle, y'all, to actually close. All right, I'm definitely waiting for that. This is definitely a retest. All right, this is definitely a retest situation on US 30. All right,
Oh, hold
definitely
on.
a retest. So this is definitely
Hold up.
valid.
Hold up. All right, go ahead.
All right, so this is definitely a retest and definitely valid. All right, um, definitely valid. Got a nice reversal candle right here. This is just a pullback. All right, but when I come up here to my 4 hour time frame, I'm still waiting on this 4 hour. All right, so this 4 hour can move up and down, up and down. We still got over 2 hours left of this 4 hour candle. Still over 2 hours left of this 4 hour candle. So this pullback that is doing is valid. You know what I'm saying? Like it most definitely can do that. You know what I'm saying? And I was anticipating that once we started getting the breakout. All right, so we started getting the breakout, and then now on the lower time frame perspective, now we're getting the retest. So I'm definitely looking for the market to actually give the retest, probably somewhere in this vicinity right here. All right, and then let's see if we can get that rejection and push back to the upside. All right, get right back above here, close above that TP1 level that I had gave y'all. All right, on the 4 hour time frame though. All right, I'm looking for the 4 hour time frame candle to actually close above here. All right, so this pullback on the 15 minute, I'm not really concerned. All right, because I was anticipating that to happen anyway. The market definitely pushed up, and I'm not looking for it to go too crazy before the news. So this pullback right here, they can just easily just balance everything out and then just kind of waste the rest of what the day, the couple hours left that we got, and then you know
Next
till
few yards.
news. and then actually make the move. So kind of like even like with gold starting to pull back. So that's not surprising. You know what I'm saying? Like it's not surprising
Mhm.
that they did make a little move and then they're pulling it back. Nas was selling really hard and then they pulled it back. More than likely, Nas just stays right here in the same vicinity. You know, kind of like what my man said in the morning. In the morning, kicking it off. It's probably not gonna move probably not gonna move anywhere. All right. I don't see. Are you sharing? Are you on my stream or yours? I can't see on your
Yours,
screen.
yours. You
Let me
can't share
see.
at the same time. No, your screen.
Hmm. Yeah. So it's like, so y'all, so like it so it can definitely do that. All right, especially because this FOMC. So I don't really anticipate it going too crazy. All right, so everything is kind of doing its little pullback. Nas was selling. Now Nas is kind of pulling back. This was buying up. Now US 30 is pulling back. Then same with gold. Gold was buying up. Now gold's pulling back. You know what I'm saying? So now it's just the time. If you're not in at all, then just chill and just wait. Because I don't really think they make a move. If you like miss this early move on US 30, right? If you had missed this early move, don't try to catch the move now, please. All right, like don't even chase it. Like that was a nice little move, nice little intraday play to kick the week off or kick the morning off. All right, that was a nice move. All right, that was a nice move to the upside. 256 points, 257 point breakout. That's a nice move. All right, for anybody. So, and if you actually ended up closing your position, hey, you can really just be like one and done and be done like for real for the day. And you ain't even got to put your account at risk for the news at all. You know what I'm saying? But I know some people are going to be trying to, you know, um, take one of them entries for news and stuff like that. But you don't have to, all right? Especially if you already made money already. All right. That's where the discipline comes into play. You don't have to take a trade. You don't have to take another trade if you already made money. All right. And you can just walk away, let the news do whatever it's going to do, and then be back tomorrow. And then look for another opportunity tomorrow. But ultimately, I can see US 30 doing a pullback. All right. And look at gold. Gold's pulling back. Let's see what Nas doing. Nas is selling back down. All right, but I think Nas kind of stays in this situation. But Nas, like I said, I think Nas even for the news, I think Nas comes down into this vicinity. I think Nas comes back down here to 681, 29 681. All right,
Yeah. Nas need to go all the way back down. We're talking about that Monday.
yeah,
When Nas go all the way back to the full retest, I'll be interested in buying it again. But after
for
taking that
real.
loss yesterday for no reason and messed up my profits, I'm chill until it get to the bottom now.
Yeah, absolutely. I just think Nas can just do a deeper pullback, and like I told y'all before, Nas and US 30 have two completely different images. So please don't
Hmm.
try to like use the correlation. Like if one is buying, the other one should be buying. That they haven't been moving. Like they haven't been moving the market like that. Like if Nas has been buying, US 30's been selling. US 30's been buying, Nas has been dropping. You know what I'm saying? It's just like what my man
Or
said
one
the other
just
day.
sitting.
They're definitely changing stuff and they ain't moving the same like they used to. Go ahead, G. What were you saying?
No, I'm about to say, or one ain't moving.
Yeah, or one ain't moving. Absolutely. One is
Because
moving, the other one ain't moving. Absolutely.
US
Couldn't agree
30
more.
sat there when Nas was breaking out, US 30 sat there for like a month.
Mm-hmm. Sure did.
Ain't buy or sell. It was just up and down in that same area. And then it finally just took off one day.
Yeah, for real. And that one day was back here. That one day was back here. Right? Did the little retest right here. It got the nice reversals. It never stopped us out either. Oh, it got so close. It got so close. And then started pushing that thing. All right. So that day was on was that May 19th. May 19th, they finally started getting that push. May 19th started getting that push. But yeah, I believe we just up. We just up on US 30. All right. Up on US 30.
Yeah, now let's just hope gold stays right here.
Mm-hmm.
The
Let's
entry
see.
and profit, though, the entry and profit, 40 pips.
40 pips.
Hmm. Almost 100. The entry was at 54, it's at 48. So, oh, that's 60 pips. My bad, y'all. There you go.
Yeah, now we just waiting, y'all. More than likely, they're not gonna make the move by the time the stream is over with. You know what I'm saying? So that's
Yeah,
cool too.
definitely more likely not. They probably just gonna leave it here, peter it out, and then just call it a day. But definitely just remember whatever we discussed today. Other than his bullshit chart. But then other than that, it's good. Other than that, everything else is good. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, bullshit or not, he still made 257 points, did he not?
Man, I'm up.
Same points.
Where am
Same
I?
points.
Where am I at?
Same points.
I'm up 436 points to be exact.
No, I'm just talking about today. I know you didn't take the trade though, but I'm just saying, like,
I ain't close.
all in all, even on your chart, it still was the same amount of points from
Yeah.
the entry to the high was still 257 points. That's what I'm saying. Like, it still was the same amount of points. Like, you wouldn't have missed the value of $1, is what you was trying to say. You wouldn't have missed it. You wouldn't have missed it. You still would have made $250.
I need to know. I still need to know the cost.
You still, but look, if you watching my chart, we entering right here. Boom. You looking at your chart? Okay, cool. This is the level right here. Boom. We breaking out. Boom. Take trade. Take trade. You'll learn one day. Don't worry. I know. I still gotta work. I still gotta teach you and work with you. I still gotta work with you.
I wish you could one day, man.
Man, bro. Golly, bro.
My boy also told me today that gold wasn't gonna take out yesterday high. I should have listened to him. Should have said
I
back.
said that.
Yeah, you said that. Don't worry about it. It's live. You can go back and watch it.
Nah, I meant the 4-hour arrow.
I bet you did.
That's what I was talking about. That's what me and you was talking about. We was talking about that last night. What you talking about?
We talking about yesterday high.
Yeah, that's where the arrow's at. What you talking about? That's what I'm referring to. That we should take that out.
Oh man, come on, bro.
That's what I was referring to.
I feel you.
Like, we shouldn't take that out. You know what I'm saying? We should just go ahead and just sail back off.
Well, make sure gold don't.
Man, I know we gotta get this pullback on gold. I know gold pushing back up though. It ain't really pushing back up. It's just doing a retest. But there ain't no reversal candle, so I don't like that either. Right?
I don't
so
either.
It's like,
I was
right.
thinking
So even like if we was talking, like, hold on, I gotta pull that up. So even if we was like talking about a sale, like even if we was talking about a sale,
that 15-minute.
Yeah, like y'all, like even if we was talking about a sale, I don't like this setup because there's no reversal right here. This is just for real. Like the market can just do a pullback, but it can do a pullback for sure, and that's all it's gonna be, right? So it can just do one of these moves. Like if it don't throw no reversal, they can do one of these and just do one of these. I don't want to see that. But the way this setup is, they gonna have to put something. Because if they don't give us no kind of reversal,
but
man.
Let me give you this though. Remove your drawings real fast. I will say this. I will say this. It don't need no reversal due to the fact that we ain't got no what's it called up there.
That is true, actually. Right. That is true. That is true. Hold on. Let me come here. Yeah, because this is for real just a retest low key though. Honestly. This push up is a retest. It don't really need the reversal. Now that I see that. That is true. They don't need it for real. Go ahead, give us the dump. Give us the dump, man. Give us the dump. We touching back in profit. We touching back in profit, y'all. We touching back in profit. We started getting in profit last night, and then they did this morning. But let's get this dump. Let's see. 5 minute. Let's see what the one talking about. The one still in the No, we're gonna see though. It's still early. We still got hours. What we got? 2 hours? No, 3 hours. We still got 3 hours to that news. Yeah,
Yeah, like
3 hours. All right, this is the pullback. Oh, my bad, y'all. Pull back on US 30. Pull all the way back. Look at that. Retested that breakout. All right. And be looking for this rejection right here. I'll be looking for this rejection. Hold on. I'll be looking for this rejection right here. So I definitely can see it probably doing a full retest. Like literally they wiped that whole move out. All right. Full retest right up in here and then let's get one of these. All right, let's get one of these. Full retest and a launch. All right, and a launch.
yeah. What I was about to tell you was if you go back to gold real fast and pause your drawings real quick on gold, but go to your 4 hour.
Go ahead. What you got?
Go to your 4 hour. Put your what's it called on real quick. Put on
What's that?
your liquidity boxes. I just want to see if yours is the same as mine.
Oh,
Because we got a resistance box, but we ain't got no support. And I like that. That's one thing I do like. You only gotta put the top one on.
I'll turn them off.
Oh yeah, no, I like that. Yeah, I like it on both charts. Yeah, I like that. That's good. We ain't got no box right there. Yeah, I'm smooth there. I think it's smooth. The sell it is, man. Sell it is. I don't care about the bottom. Sell it is. We ain't breaking that liquidity box right there on the phone. They already know that don't make sense. They went up there and snatched Tuesday high as expected. All right, that's fine. They did that. But
Right.
now it's time to they about to get the business out. Don't worry about it.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. It's gym time today too, by the way. I gotta get back to it. I was going hard for a good 8-9 months every day. I gotta get back to it. I started hurting though. Man, joints was hurting and everything. I'm like, man, need a little break. I gotta get back to it. I need to get back to it. Yeah, that's the play though, y'all. I mean, shoot, we catching that. All right, we catching that. And then US 30, I know it did this little pullback. Look at that. It yanked back too. Look, hit that retest level, yank back. Yank back on US 30. All right. Yank back. Go ahead and keep pushing because I don't foresee that 4-hour candle flipping red. No, sir. Nope. Not even the slightest. So it can do that. Like I said, it can do this. That's valid because we did break out, retest, and shoot, let's get to going. Let's get to it. And you can see that candle back. But I'm waiting on this. I want to see that 4-hour candle, y'all, close above our TP1 entry. 4-hour candle back above TP1 entry. All right. For sure. For sure. And that's all I got, y'all. That's all I got. We just waiting now. We just waiting. All right. We waiting. We still got 3 hours, a little over 3 hours left to that news. All right. And in the meantime, I'll probably go hit the gym. Then be ready to go for that news.
Yeah, so I think the same. I think nothing happens. I think that right there was just one of the infamous liquidity grabs that they do. I do not think we break Monday high. I hope we don't break Monday high because it's going to force me to have to exit. But other than that, I think everything does look smooth. Just remember 2 o'clock FOMC. You know what I'm saying? Don't skip it. Don't skip past it and think ain't nothing gonna happen. This is Kevin Walsh, first one. So we're gonna see how he moved the markets. I mean, that's what I'm really eager to see. I want to see how the markets move when he get up there. You know what I'm saying? This is his first time. We got a new chairman. We don't see Mr. Jerome Powell face no more. So let's see how the markets react when he's on the stand because that's going to determine a lot for all of us, honestly. Like, I definitely go determine a lot. So let's know how the rest of our next 4 years go. That's how I look at it.
Mm-hmm.
Today about to let me know how the next 4 years gonna look when he get on stage. Get to hear how he talk, how he looked, making sure he ain't picking up the cell phone and Uncle Donnie telling him what to do.
Oh, you know that. That's why Donnie put him in there.
Yeah,
He couldn't control Uncle Jerome. He couldn't
yeah,
control him, so he's like, I got to get him up out of there. Now he got somebody he can control.
yeah. We're gonna see what he do.
So
Is
at
he
the end
gonna
of the
hit us?
day, it ain't even gonna be him for real.
Yeah, we're gonna miss the infamous good afternoon.
Good afternoon. That's all he had to say. Good afternoon.
We
And
gonna
Uncle
miss them
Jerome
days.
wasn't playing. Hey,
All right,
good
good afternoon.
afternoon.
Good evening.
Every trader getting cooked. You either on the right side or wrong side, but somebody's getting cooked today.
Yeah. Depending on if he
Somebody's
said
getting cooked.
afternoon, evening.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Somebody's getting cooked.
He was talking in code up there.
Good afternoon. Man, the infamous good afternoon. And you
Yeah,
knew
man,
you was about to be fried.
it's funny because you all you gotta do is hear somebody say that, you gonna hear his voice in your head. Good afternoon, if you're a trader.
Good afternoon. Hey,
Oh,
you
man,
hear
don't
that? Prepare to be fried.
yeah, good afternoon is the worst one. Don't say that, bro.
With no smile either.
Yeah, serious as hell.
With no smile. Get to it. What we got, man? Let's see. Yeah, gold is gonna play around up and down, up and down, up and down. But yeah, we got the dump. I ain't going.
Yeah,
I
I
ain't
see the
going.
difference, man. Like I said, I
Mm-hmm.
say what I needed to see. I saw on your chart you didn't have a liquidity box right there. I don't have one on mine, so I know they're gonna go down here and just dump it. It's been past the time they should have been had support there and the liquidity there. They gonna go get that one at the bottom. Um, so
They gonna have
that's
to really move it for real. Like I'm talking about, like really move it because they ain't moved it. Like they ain't done nothing. Yeah, they moved it up. You know what I'm saying? And a lot
mm-hmm,
of that probably was just to relieve the pressure of the sell pressure for real.
mm-hmm.
Because everything on the smaller time frame, even on the 4 hour, began to be oversold. So now they had to make a move, do a nice little pullback, nice little retest, deeper retracement, and
Yeah,
then
wait.
now we need to get a nice little shift of structure back to the downside. Nice rejection and a whoop, 1,000 pip drop.
Chill.
Let's get a
I
1,000 pip drop
need that today.
today. Need a 1,000 pip drop today.
He better come on there and be like, the war is over. However,
Wow. Or vice versa. Like, man, they just bombed them. And then, because that's how they've been rolling. Like, oh, they
yeah,
get bombed? Oh, yeah, they dropping it.
we
They
tried.
got a deal going? Oh, yeah.
We tried to get a peace deal going, but they said we just playing. Now
Exactly.
back to square one.
Exactly. Like my man Angel said this morning, there ain't no deal signed. That's what they said. There ain't nothing, no confirmation of no deal. That's why Israel was like, I don't agree with Trump.
No, they did say it was. I told you they said the preliminary deal is signed. The details come out Friday.
I heard what they said. I heard
Yeah.
what they said. They've been saying a whole lot. You know what I'm saying? They've been saying a whole. I heard what they said. They've been saying a whole lot too.
I just hate how he been spinning it though. He always spin it the same way. He hit you with the, yeah, this is the plan, but we're going to give it a few days because something might change. Like, bruh, if Iran don't come with a deal, we're gonna bomb their whole nation. There's gonna be no civilization over there anymore. But we might just wait. We might let them
Man,
get here.
I'm
Like,
saying, bro, they've been saying a whole lot. Bro, every time he say they got to cease fire, right? They got to cease fire. Oil drop, right? Oil drop. They said they got a deal done. They got nothing signed. That's what they said, though.
yeah,
Right? That's what they saying. But Israel's like, I ain't agreed to nothing. See what I'm saying? Like, okay, how is that going to work? How that work then?
yeah, that's weird, bro.
Because ultimately, this is low key between Israel and Iran, right? So it's like
Nothing to do with us.
that got nothing to do with us. So how you saying we got a deal done, and BB saying I ain't agree to that?
Mm-hmm.
As far as I'm concerned, that ain't no deal.
Yeah.
That's a manipulation like they been doing. Oh yeah, we got a deal. Let's move the market. they're gonna come out and up deals off.
Yeah,
Somebody done got bombed.
We need a rejection this next hour. If 11 o'clock stay bearish, I say we dump. Like we can't break that how we created. As long as we don't break that how we just created, that's a great sign right there. That's an equal high. Equal highs is a good sign.
A good sign.
Mm-hmm.
That's
Only
a good
got
sign.
2 minutes left on this live. We'll be hopping off real soon. I can pull the charts down. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if my man.
Y'all got any last minute questions or anything before we end? Because we about to end, y'all.
Yeah.
I'm about to go hit the gym. I need to go lift some weights or something.
I owe my lady a brunch, so we about to go to brunch.
He owe her brunch because he blew her account, y'all.
Oh, I definitely ain't never do that.
He blew her account because he didn't take the US 30 trade with us.
No.
And she's watching the live, like, damn, I could have made all this money. You owe me brunch now. You owe me brunch. You owe me brunch. Brunch do sound fire.
Yeah, we might go somewhere.
Brunch do sound fire though.
We got this little steak and egg place not too far. She like going to. So.
Oh yeah, that's fire. Yeah.
Steak and egg.
Oh yeah, steak and egg get you a good source of protein. Oh, yeah. High protein. Oh yeah.
Start the day out right.
Oh yeah, kick the day off. Kick the day off right.
But that's all we got for y'all, man. We're gonna see y'all in the next live coming up. It's 11 o'clock. That's our 2 hours. But hey, they on the right side of the market today.
I'm saying, don't force nothing either to happen that ain't there. Please don't do that. All right, we'll see y'all on the next one.